money for sitting near the president. Everywhere you go to any function, there's an inner circle, a middle circle, an outer circle. And depending upon how much you pay, you get closer there. When you go to the football field, there are certain wings which are more expensive than the popular stand. This is life. And it doesn't mean that there was anything untowardly. Maybe the modus, how it was organized, is the issue. But it's absolutely internationally accepted practice of event organization.
Paying to sit close to the president.
Not saying close, to wherever the center is. And in this case, the center happened to be where the president was. That's as simple as that. After that, a lot of activities have taken place where they are structured. Even when you go to see a Bohwai's place, they are structured. You pay 50, you sit here, you pay 25 TD, and that's it. That is life.
But anti-corruption organizations and civil society organizations have raised issues with that. They think that it breeds corruption.
The so-called anti-corruption organization, I personally don't buy. They don't do what is right. Sometimes they make comments which they don't even appreciate the importance. They just tag on to an issue, and I am prepared to debate anybody to say it was not corruption. It was something done, maybe because we are not used to it, but there was absolutely nothing untoward about it. And sometimes I am disappointed by the so-called anti-corruption organization. What they say? They say the anti-corruption organization, one of them became a special advisor to President Mahama after leading the anti-corruption. So where did he belong to?